Hi and welcome back to an art journal flip through of my pocket junk art journal. It's made with a fabric cover and from all kinds of different papers. I really enjoyed working in this small size, and I also love that every page looks different and it has always a different size, and that makes it look really chunky and interesting. For almost every page in this journal, I have a video tutorial on my YouTube channel. I used all kinds of different techniques in this journal. Of course, I used a lot of stamps. All the stamps I'm using are from my own store. I am the owner of Rubber Dance, for those of you who are new to my channel. The book is made very easy. I just picked about 15 pieces of paper and fold them in half, and then I put them all together and sewed them with a thicker thread to my cover. The cover is made from cotton fabric and I just sewed some lace on top of it. It's made very simple. On some pages I have used a journal card where I note down the recipe of the art journal page. This journal card comes with our journal notes step set, and I really like to have the steps written down, so in case I am a little bit out of mojo and have no idea what to create, I can just pick such a journal card and work with a recipe to create another art journal page. I often get asked what I'm doing with these journals and what they are good for. And I think, first of all, it's fun to create them, and it's a lot of fun to make the pages. And the next thing is, it's really nice to look at them, I think. And it's also, it keeps your creative mind going, and I think it's a nice way to express yourself. I hope you enjoyed this super quick video, and I hope we see us next time. Bye!